Reverend Father finally exposed Hope Uzodinma for the reckless killings of Igbo youth in Okigwe. The Biafra women don't request for unconditional release of Uzodinma's Nnamdi Kanu. Things are happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please highly go and subscribe, because here they bring you back to back update as they hot. Things are really happening. If we tell you waiting they go on now, you no go believe. A lot of people are speaking up regarding what is happening in Southeast, and a lot of Bömbàřdmęŋt news now we will go touch today. Okay, before we go touch the news, may you try to turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person to get them. Things are really happening. They say why Reverend Father don't cut chair, come outside, can't explain how the Nigeria soldiers, military, police are perpetuating, burning people's house, destroying people's residence. People have flew away and leave their home. This is happening in Southeast part of Nigeria for now, and in Biafra land. A lot of people have abandoned their ancestral home, their homeland, their motherland, and flee to another state because of what the Hope Uzodinma and the police are doing to the people in Imo State. This Reverend Father review how about 2 or 3 communities has been disastered, and nobody are no longer living in this community anymore because of what Nigeria Army is doing. We are going to talk more about this particular video, but let's go on and take a look of what this Reverend Father said. Then we'll come back and continue.
Good morning, Ohaneze Ndibo. Good morning, Nigeria. I am Most Reverend Biafra, the Methodist Archbishop of Okigwe Archdiocese. Okigwe Archdiocese is made up of Okigwe Diocese, Uturu Diocese, Ihube Diocese, Nnochi Diocese, and the Sukwato Diocese. These dioceses constitute Okigwe Archdiocese, and all the environs were extended from Imo to Abia. Now, these archdioceses have been under the mayhem of bandits in the recent past. The kidnappers have had their sway, bandits have had their sway. Now, militarization of the environment is what we are seeing. Now, I want to sincerely request that our people should be saved. The Ihube community is totally deserted. That place has become a ghost town, and Imo State government knows about it. Our community has been deserted for long now. Bomber jets have gone into this community and bombed that place 2 times. Helicopters are doing much harm than good in all these areas. I mean, the military moved from house to house, burning down houses. I condemn in strong terms the death of any military man in the hands of the bad boys in the society. But the military has a strategy which they use in fishing out bad boys in the society. Does it call to burn down every house in the environment before you can fish out bad boys in the society? Our people are in abject, terrible situation right now. I don't know how we are going to describe it. More refugees are coming out, more than what happened in the war. The military of Nigeria should take it cautiously. They should not be burning down houses like Boko Harams have been burning down houses in the north. I don't know whatever is happening. Is it a way of paying back the Igbos for what we have not done? This time around, you hear them speak, Asa Wuta, Asa Wuta, Asa water, in cars, water, in houses, water, in shops, water, thinking that we don't understand that language, Hausa. Put fire, put fire, put fire, put fire, everywhere, put fire, everywhere, put fire. When you have put fire on all the whole places, people you're supposed to guide and protect, what then is your work? Are you Boko Haram? What are you? We don't know exactly what you are doing for us in this place. The other day, Umulala community was almost sacked. Everything in a community called Umukele, all 19 houses were burned. 2 aged women were pushed out of their houses and their houses were set ablaze. Where will they go? We have gotten more refugees in our hands than we can cope with. Please, Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State, come and see, come on the spot visit of all these places and know what to do. I know that Imo State is made up of 3 senatorial zones. 3 senatorial zones. And now the south is gone, Okigwe senatorial zone is gone, and in the remaining only Owerri senatorial zone. Are you governing only Owerri senatorial zone? Please, we need intervention immediately. We need intervention immediately. We need intervention immediately. Our people are dying of hunger. Our people are dying of cold. No houses to stay in. People are running out of their ancestral homes. All their farms are being looted. Are we in a war zone? If we are in a war zone, please tell us that we are in a war zone. Ohaneze Ndibo, I don't know why you are painting what is evil. You are not trying to paint these things. I don't know whether you are political, whether you are people who are helping your community. I don't know. People should rise up and do what they're supposed to do. Should rise up. This terrible situation are becoming unbecoming unto our people. Oh, people are dying. Oh, situations have come from bad to worst in these areas. Our community, we don't have, almost life has been lost. That is, we don't have people living in that place again. Igbo community, we don't even have people living there again. Now, Umulala, why must you take over Imo State? Decimating them. Why can't the sons and daughters of these places rise up and tell the government enough is enough? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And people should not run away from their ancestral homes just like that. We are not Alamajiris. Don't convert us Alamajiris in this area.
Everything.
Abayoku.
And then you to name no dark order. I can see more than that. One more thing.
Hey! Hey! Oh my goodness.
This generator Japan put small generator, small control, everything no there. Takoshi, magic tank, everything.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video and see how Hope Uzodinma is terrorizing his own people in Imo State. Sometimes we say we no go talk, we just bring video come show now, but sometimes we need to talk. You see, this is what the Nigeria so-called medias and military will come and post and start writing that they have bombed IPOB hideout. This is IPOB hideout. Is this woman hiding IPOB or ESN unknown gunmen in his home? And later you will see some fools, some frustrated idiots. They will come outside on social media, start laughing. Hey, hit them. This is IPOB hideout. So this is the if this Reverend Father did not speak out, most of you have believed that Hope Uzodinma have been bombing IPOB, ESN, and the unknown government hideout in Imo State. Why is busy bombing people's home? bombing people's home, and Nigeria army will come outside and claim we invaded army ESN IPOB wing in Imo State, in Anambra State. They don't know that they end up bombing people's home, then sending people to be homeless. This is going on in Okigwe, which no one is talking about it. I'm going to show you one video of this current thing that's happening in Israel. You know, where you see 5 people inside, there must be a seller of your own people among them. There must be a betrayer of your own people among them. I want to play this video. You know, that everybody must not believe in what you are doing. Everybody must not believe of the ideology of other people. But that will not remove your humanity, what make you a human, away from you, that they don't have a sympathy. That any news you see starts jumping up. But you see what this man, which is Uzodinma, is doing to innocent people in the village, our mothers, our mothers in the village, bombing their home for no reason. Is it what make them? Is it make them special in their work they are doing as a military, as an air force, as an intelligence, as an whatever they like, let them call themselves? This is unprofessional. Let me show you one video that even the Jewish in other country, I guess Israel. Let me show you this video.
Down, down, Israel! Down, down, Israel! Down, down, Israel!
So if you don't understand what is going on in this video, read what they write there. They are Jewish. Israel, I guess Israel. You see, so there must be many people that are against Biafra. Many people were against the ideology of the independent nation, of maybe the freedom of Igbo totally inside Biafra. There were many people who will be against it. But you people should also be talking the truth. You that is against Nnamdi Kanu, you that is against Simon Ekpa, you that is against Wazirike and other people that have come aside for this struggle, you that is against our platforms. Also, when you see this video and hear this thing that this Reverend Father talk, have rethink, speak the truth, tell Hope Uzodinma to stop bombing people's home. They are not the terrorists. They are not the people they are looking for. The people they are looking for are inside bush. The foot military can go there and look for them. Let them have it one-on-one. If they conquer them, let them bring them out to the public to show this is the guy who are doing this, not bombing people's home. If you come across this video, please share this video. Very, very important. Make sure that you share this video so that people will see what Hope Uzodinma is doing to the people in Okigwe and on the other part in Imo State as well. Okay, my people, let's jump into the next Ogwenge news where we go for hand. Our mothers are requesting for unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let's bring the video up a minute. Welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video, our mothers, the Chukwuokike have heard your cry. The more the enemy hold Nnamdi Kanu, the more the country called Nigeria destroy more. This is the message I have for them. The more you hold Nnamdi Kanu, the more things go wrong in Nigeria, and very soon everybody will be seeing it happening one after the other. Please share this video. Very, very important. Share this video and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next update.